Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to quickly check your motherboard details using command prompt in Windows. First, type CMD in search and open the command prompt. Now, type this command, WMIC baseboard get product, manufacturer, version, serial number, and press enter. Here you will see 4 important details about your motherboard. Manufacturer, the brand of your motherboard, like ASUS, MSI, or Gigabyte. Product number, also called the model number, which tells you the exact motherboard type. Serial number, the unique ID of your motherboard. Version, the revision or version of your motherboard. And that's how simple it is to find your motherboard details using CMD. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.